bought a whole duplex to myself. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. You are about to be blown away. Relax and enjoy. So guys, flying private means you go to the private wing of the airport and you don't need to go through any checks or even mandatory face masks wearing. So when we're ready, we're called to the jet and we made our way with our luggages, of course helped by the airport workers, of course.
Hospitality, and then we hope that you enjoy a pleasant flight. Out of Abuja, some slight rain, so we might encounter some light bumps on the tarmac, but nothing much to worry about. There is no major weather system around Nigeria, and so it should be a fairly pleasant flight. Thank you very much. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. This is what my room looks like. Honestly, I'm scared. This is like a duplex, right? It has staircase. I don't even understand, but this is what I got. Okay, let me go upstairs. And to be honest, I think they burnt a lot of turaren water in this room. That's incense. Let's check what the bathroom looks like. This is what the table looks like. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the most scary part. Oh my god. Jesus. Okay.
And yes, they have a safe. Oh, Jesus. Let me close it before something will jump out. I have to manage now. I have a whole duplex myself. I'm excited, but one more. Oh, they have a working AC. Nice. Let's see if it cools or if it is cooling. Please, do you have water heater? Very important though. I can bear anything, but please. So I just turned on the switch and I'm hoping that it's working. See, okay, it's working. There's a red dot there. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. So if it's working, I'm good. I'm cool with any other thing. So even if nothing works, the room is not clean, it's not all that tidy. Yes, they will always put a white bedspread, but I can manage. I came with my towel, like I knew. I came with my towel, I came with the mosquito repellent. Like, I'm happy I'm in Bauchi, by the way. Coming here, it was the mountain, the view, it was really nice. It was really nice, the view and everything. But man, this hotel is a no for me. The other photographers are saying that there's a TV here, so that should be a good consolation. But TV, I'll be here and I'm not turning on this TV. But anyways, I'm glad and I'm grateful for for the opportunity and for getting a room to myself. Normally some people would make you share room with somebody else and you don't know, so I got a whole duplex to myself. I'm just waiting for the water at least to get hot a bit because the light wasn't on when I got here, so the water should get hot a bit, then I'll have my bath at least and sleep. If you can check my face area, I'm so tired. I've eaten, so I'm full, thank God. I will lock this door. I will lock the door downstairs and just be sure that it's just me and myself that I will be in this room. I'm not even going to go downstairs. I'm just going to remain here. The white duvet has like lots of stain on it, but well, I will manage. I'll manage, Jerry. So Bauchi, I'm here. I'm here for the turbaning of a client's mom. Her turbaning, that's what we are here for. Like the other videos you guys have seen, we coming from the airport, the PJs and everything, every other person that came to for the occasion, you have seen everything. I've shown you guys. So tomorrow I'll try as much as possible to make more videos. I know I'm going to go for the event, so I'm going to make more videos. Then I'll go. Her makeup is supposed to start very early tomorrow morning. I'll try to see if I can film that as well. You know, I can talk now and nothing will happen because maybe I might be carried away, or maybe so many activities and I'll forget to record, but I'll try my possible best to record. By the way, let me go and take a picture of this duplex so that I'll use it for my thumbnail. Bye. Talk to you guys later. Life situation update. See, I just finished having my bath, but I need you guys to see this. Hey God. Hey. You can imagine how scared I was. Watch. Oh, if only you can see where this water is hitting. I think that strand of water. It is so scattered. I felt like I was outside and it was raining on me. That was how I legit felt. Jesus. Oh my. Hi guys, so this is the next day after the reception party for the Ajia that is having a turbaning ceremony. So we're on our way to the Emir's palace in another village, so ahead, and so we're just all getting ready to leave. So this is my breakfast for this morning. You know, when you're in Rome, you have to behave like Roman. So I don't know. They gave me this sauce. I don't know what it's called, but it has like little chunk of liver in it, and fried yamarita. That's the I know it as, and whatever there as breakfast. So we're all living, because it's the north now. We have to have like enough security. So like security in the front, security in the middle, and security behind. And I must say, Bauchi is a really beautiful state. You wouldn't see lots of buildings, but you would see enough farmlands. You will see cattle. You know, the olden days where the people transport product from the farm. You will see it in Bauchi, like, and we had like so much like attraction, because people were looking at us because we were moving as a convoy. Okay, today I joined the coastal bus, and the police, they were in front and they were blowing siren and everything. So, but so far, apart from the hotel saga, I think I was having a lot of fun. So I'll just like stop talking and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, the situation updates. So the coastal bus had issues with the tire. What did they call it? The tire burst on the wheel. So we had to stop. So because I'm the makeup artist now, and I was with the photographers too, and the videographer, so they just had to like quickly take us out of there, because we could not wait for them to fix the coastal bus. So we had to leave. So we joined another smaller car, and we were on our way to the Emir Palace. Apparently, the palace wasn't so far from where the coastal bus stopped, where the tire issue happened. See, this ride, I'm telling you, to this village was honestly and legit 3 hours. I slept, woke up, and slept again, honestly. So when the whole incident happened, we were already a few minutes to the palace already. So this is the Emir Palace. To be honest, Northerners are party magnets. Where there's a small party, you see them show up in numbers. Well, this is the Emir Palace, Emir of Bauchi, or this particular village. Honestly, I don't remember what the name is. But you guys should enjoy. Guys, I legit feel that this is part of tradition where the celebrant, the person that has been being turbaned, will just sit, and she will have different people coming in to greet her. I don't know, these people that wear this scarf, I don't know what they are called, but these people came in, her friends came in, and those different set of people, kept going in and out of the place greeting her before she now left to the emir's palace. This is like a big building, but I'm very sure he has his own chief room. In my own with my own mentality, not the northern mentality now, because she went to where the king and his kingsmen were for the proper ceremony. Then at least it took about, I won't lie, over an hour, I'm sure, because I stood and stood and stood with this crowd of people. When there's a lot of crowd in the north, you know what to expect. You will know. So it was just a lot. I stood for a while before the whole ceremony was completed and she was done. And the next stage was that these horse people will be in front and she should follow behind greeting her people, something like that. So guys, this was actually the end of the whole turbaning ceremony. We had a quick reception, and at this point I was tired, so I could not film so much, and besides, nothing happened. So after that we moved straight to the airport the same day. So we landed in Bauchi. Now we're headed to Jigawa airport, and because of remember now we traveled to her village for about 3 to 4 hours. There's no way we'll go back to Bauchi, so the closest state was Jigawa and the closest airport was Jigawa. So we just had to go to Jigawa, and this was like a 30 minutes to 40 minutes drive, I think, but it wasn't up to 1 hour. And we arrived at the airport, and our private jet was waiting on standby for us. The ease of traveling when you are traveling private is out of this world. Don't worry, just enjoy. And we had to go in convoy. You get, it's the north, so everybody needs to be very, very, very careful. Yeah.
Some refer me for jobs now.
You don't know that as you are doing one, that one is making way for you to do another, to do another, to do another. Some people don't know, so they are deprived of it. Just realize that the way you came to Bauchi now, you have to start looking forward to the next time you come to
I'm following my boss.
Now
I'm following.
No.
guys, before you misunderstand, this is a private commercial jet. I mean, when you have like weddings, events, and you need to take like a particular number of people, you go with this particular type of private jet that has a commercial setting. It's different from the one that just have a couch and a bar and all the stuff. They carry less people. So this was one of the jets. The remaining two was occupied by my clients and her close knit friends. The rest of us, we stayed in this one, which was very comfortable. You see this place where I sat down, I was literally the last person. There was nobody else behind, so it was just like So see, they were entering and they were boarding their own plane, and we were already boarding there, and we were just waiting to take off all of us. So I'm telling you, there are levels to this. So you see the young lady earlier, the air hostess, she goes around asking people what they want to eat by giving them the menu and asking them to select. You get what I mean? So it's like a private treatment. This is what the other people on the other jets will get. So that's exactly what we got. Imagine when you're flying a normal commercial plane with passengers and all. Nobody cares. They don't even give you water sometimes, and they only give water like when everybody's when we have landed and everybody's going down. But this one, they serve you food, water, and juice or wine, anyone you want, there and then before you land. You get.
That's Kai.
So here is my food, and I need to introduce you to these two guys, lovely people. This is Sam and this is Victor, photographer and videographer I met on the trip. See, I love this kind of work trip because it helps me and introvert mix up with people in my community. So it's actually very fun, and honestly they made it worth the while because I didn't have him a doctor, so they're the only ones I was talking to. Wow, overall, this trip was good. Bauchi is a very beautiful state but has less infrastructure, and I'm glad to be back to Abuja, my city. I hope you guys loved this video so far. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it, and drop a comment. Have you been to Bauchi? Is it a place you'd like to go? Did you enjoy the whole turban ceremony through my eyes? Let me know in the comment section. So don't stop watching, please watch to the end because I have lots and lots of interesting content after this Bauchi trip, because I'm going to be showing you how I pamper myself.
At around 7 p.m. For your safety, please remain seated until the engines have been shut down and the fastenable signs have been switched off. Please be careful when opening the bins to avoid those bags falling on you or your fellow passengers. Please refrain from smoking on your way to the terminal, and also observe the local restrictions regarding smoking at this airport. It has been a pleasure having you on board Ivory 145. We hope you have enjoyed the flight and that we'll have an opportunity to see you again. Thank you for flying ExeJet. Look for the wonderful stay at your final destination. Goodbye.
Hi, good evening. It's not so bright. Hi guys, so spa section, my first ever spa section. Exciting. Thank you so much. Feeding our phone. It's so nice. I like enjoying it.
Okay, keep it on the stove for
You
that.
can say what you want.
For my
I already know it's destiny. Maybe you should stop resisting it. I understand.
you have to bring that.
It's scary. But you be safe in my arms, baby.
Okay.
Just take a leap of faith.
Ew.
Come on, just take my hand.
Hey, you can take your food.
Don't stop it, Sha.
You don't see this kind of love anymore.
Wow.
It's special, one of a kind, yeah. I know together. If you let me be
This is a
your
worthy
girl,
experience.
we'll take over the world. Together we'll go high. We'll make the most of life. If you
We're
let me
about to
be your
change.
girl, I can wait for the day.
See my face, so you know that I was here.
I wake up next to you. Then they dreaming about it. Come on, just take my hand. 'Cause that vibe is irreplaceable.
Yeah, possible already.
You don't see this kind of love no more. It's special, one of a kind, yeah. I know together. If you let me be your girl, we'll take over the world. Together we'll go high. We'll make the most of life. If you let me be your girl. I know you've been hurt before, but I promise I am honest. I care about you. Maybe it's time. So let the past go, turn the page, let me in. If you let me be your girl, we'll take over the world. Together we'll go high, we'll make the most of life. If you let me be your girl.
How do you feel? So if you have not tried this past section before, this is me giving you the courage to go ahead and try one. It's worth it. Yeah, anyway, start missing green tea.
You can say what you want. I already know it's destiny. Maybe you should stop resisting it. I understand it can be scary.
We're waiting for
But
our
you'll be
tea
safe
and
in
whatever.
my arms, baby. Just take a leap of faith. Come on, just take my hand. 'Cause that vibe is irreplaceable. You don't see this kind of love no more. It's special, one of a kind, yeah. I know together. If you let me be your girl, we'll take over the world. Together we'll go high. We'll make the most of life. If you let me be your girl. I can wait for the day.
Okay. Thank you.
You're next to you.
Wait, this place is just for this stuff only. It was good, extremely good. Jesus, for this life, just get money. I swear to experience this kind of stuff. Can see my body safe. I think all my bones, everything, don't they on reset, automatic reset. It was good, I beg. So right now we're moving to like our next jolly location, which is Central Park. I'm excited. I'm having like really good nights. I'll see you when I get there.
Then turn right onto Kerr Mohammed Avenue.
There was a turning point. There's no name for the diagram.
I saw 10.
I will find you.